Pulp too wet? Here's how to fix it. If your Ninja cold press is leaving the pulp too wet, here's what's causing it and how to get drier pulp and better juice extraction. 1. Prep ingredients properly. Tough produce like carrots or leafy greens should be cut into smaller pieces. Large chunks can strain the agar and leave juice trapped in the pulp. 2. Feed ingredients slowly. If you push too much through at once, the juicer can't separate juice efficiently. Add produce gradually, giving the agar time to work through each batch. 3. Use the right filter. The fine mesh filter is best for drier pulp and clearer juice. If you're using the coarse filter, you'll naturally get wetter pulp. 4. Clean the filter mid-use if needed. If the filter gets clogged during a long juicing session, juice flow slows down and pulp gets wetter. Pause and rinse the filter quickly if you notice a drop in performance. A fine cleaning brush helps clear the mesh without damaging it. We've linked one below that fits perfectly. If you prep ingredients right, juice at a steady pace, and keep the filter clean, you'll get drier pulp and better results. If you need a fine brush set to keep your filters in top shape, we've linked one below. If this helped improve your juice yield, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and juice easy.